so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom audiences and come up with new targeting strategies for your YouTube campaigns or some other campaigns that you want to create in Google Ads. This particular strategy is based on ChatGPT, so using AI, but also using popular websites that you can find online. All right, so here is the prompt, and this is how it goes. Provide me with 50 websites related to, and then you enter your topic here, of course, and that can be entrepreneurship, wealth creation, property management, something that you are going to go after and your target audience is actually visiting. Group them in into categories of 10 websites each, similar to the structure of, and then category name, and then website 1, 2, and then category name 1, 11, 12, and etc. So this is the prompt, and it's gonna specify them in 10 each time. You can play around with the numbers. I like to have about 5 to 10 websites in each custom segment when I create them in Google. So let's start with, let's do a very easy one, like entrepreneurship. So I'm gonna copy this, copy the whole thing, and go over to ChatGPT, of course, and just put it in here. You can use the ChatGPT 4 or 3.5. It should work with either of them. So let's see what it comes out with. So this is the prompt that it will provide us with, or the output it will provide us with. So you see, it's gonna categorize in the category name. So we can copy this into our custom segment and copy all of these different websites in our custom segment. So what Google will do is it's going to try to figure out, okay, so target these people that are regularly visiting similar websites like these. So it's just a kind of targeting. So it's going to try to figure out the people with these different type of websites. So I'm going to let this run, and then I'm gonna come back here. All right, so it has now finished, and here is all the website. You can see a little bit of issue here, but we can probably play around with the prompt there. Either way, this is a very easy way to then copy and paste this. So what I will do is basically just copy this headline here, or this category, and then let's go over to Google. So I'm gonna open one of my test accounts here. And there's different ways you can prepare the custom segments. One easy way is just to go into tools and settings. I'm in the old view. If you have the new, just switch to this view if you like this better. I do. So go to audience manager, find the audience manager, and then what you can do here is create a new custom segment. So you need to click on custom segments, of course, and then let's click on this plus. Let me make this a little bit bigger so we can see what's going on here. Click on this plus, and then you can give the name here. And then, so let's go over to ChatGPT, and let's copy this, and let's go back, paste that in here. And now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy all of these websites, copy, go back to Google. And we need to replace this because this is not the right thing. We want to do this. People who browsed type of websites. So this is what I mean. And get rid of this one here and just put in the website. Just paste them in like this. So now you have a complete new targeting or custom segment that you can target with your Google or your YouTube campaigns, for example. And you can see the targeting here. Like there's a lot of weekly impressions we can do with this targeting. You can see most of this targeting is male, but of course we can nail this down if we want to change the demographics in the settings later. But this is, let's just save this. And now we have this one here, and let's go back, create a new one, and just undo the next one. So start up, copy that, go back to Google Ads, paste that in here. And now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy all of this. Copy, go back here and change this to people who browse type of websites. Get rid of this, and boom. Now you have new websites in here, and we just click save. And this is actually how we do it. We just create all of them. So we have different type of of websites we can go after with these custom segments that we created. All right, so now when we create a campaign, we can choose them in, let's just do leads here and then click continue. Let's do video. And the thing is now, if we scroll down to the part where we have the ad group, what you can do is you can create multiple ad groups with these different targeting. So what I do is just add audience, and then we're going to select or basically create that audience. Custom segment, we need to find that. So it should be in here. Let's browse, and there we go. Entrepreneurship, news, and resources. And we can name this the same thing. Yeah, let's just copy and paste the things that we have here. Entrepreneurship, boom, go back here, paste that in there. And then, of course, the demographics, if we want to change this to only be targeting females, or we want to get rid of the females and just target males and then unknown, and then put in what type of age group we want to target, we can do that. We can get rid of unknown if we don't want to have unknown ages. And now we nail this targeting down specifically to websites, entrepreneurship, news, resources. And let's just save this. And now we have one targeting here. And what we can do is we can now create our ad. Let's turn this off for now. And we can put in our video here, of course. And then after when we created the campaign, we can duplicate the ad group with the ad in it and have a totally new targeting that is targeting maybe the second one, that is startup funding and venture capital, in the next ad group. So now we can split test different type of ad groups with different type of targeting easily. So this is a really, really neat way to come up with different type of targeting for your Google Ads campaigns or your YouTube campaigns that you want to go after. All right, so that is all. I will leave the prompt here for you so you can download it and play around with it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or comment down below, and yeah, see you around.